So welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Living with Rodi. Guys, in today's episode, as I told you before, I'm going to talk about my experience and the procedure of going in PCC office, which is in Malad, the Passport Seva Kendra office. What exactly happened inside the PCC office? So in this video, I'm going to tell you everything. So please, guys, watch this video till the end. I don't want to waste more time. Let's begin with this video. So the first thing I will talk about is the documentation. Yes, guys. So the document you need to carry with you is your passport. Yes, guys, don't be surprised. The only document they require for PCC when you are applying in Passport Seva Kendra office is passport. But guys, if you have made any changes or if you have changed your address, so you require supporting document. It can be anything. It can be your leave-in license, your Aadhaar card, your PAN card, your electricity bill, your water bill, anything. So my suggestion is this: if you have made any changes, please call up the customer care and tell them that I have made this changes. What document should I carry with me? And if you have not made any changes, you know the document. It's only the passport. Guys, please do not forget to take copy also with you. The Xerox copy. Take a one Xerox copy is compulsory and the original. Now I'll talk about the what exactly happened when you go inside. Now guys, the appointment time. For example, if your appointment is at 11 o'clock, so you need to reach there before 15 minutes. 10:45 you need to be there. Now what will you see? You will see a gate where you'll go inside, but before that there will be a security guard. She will or he will ask you for the application or the SMS. Just need to show this SMS and they will check, okay, your appointment is for 11 o'clock, and then they will check your bag as a security procedure and they will let you go inside. But before they let you go inside, they will tell you which counter you need to go. There will be around 6-7 counters. They will let you know which counter you need to go and stand in a queue. So they will tell you go to counter number 4 and 6, for example, they told me. So I went there. So I was standing at counter number 4. Now, what will happen once you go inside? You will be standing in a counter number 4. Your number will come and the lady will ask for your passport. She will check the passport and she will also ask for the copy of the passport. Now, what she will do? She will give your passport back and she will give you two papers. One is your copy of a passport and the application. And she will also write a number on it, which is your token number. And then with that token number, your passport and the copy of the passport, you need to go to another room. Now, what will happen in other room? Now, there are 3 stages: counter number A, counter number B, and counter number C. So, first thing is counter number A. Now, what will happen at counter number A? Token number N19, please proceed to counter A number 10. So, you need to go there, sit. Now, there will be a person sitting there. It can be a girl or a boy also, a man or a woman. Now, they will ask for your passport, the application, and a copy of a passport. They will tell you to do 3 things over there. They're very simple. They will take your picture. They will tell you to do biometrics. You remember the biometrics? Yes. And they will tell you to sign that application. That's it. Then they will tell you, now you need to proceed to counter number B. Now, again, you can see the screen there. This is how you will understand which counter you need to go to. So now once you go to the counter number B, at counter number B there will be a person who will check your all details are correct or not, the applications and your passport are matching or not, the spellings and everything. After that, he will say you need to proceed to counter number C. Now the counter number C, once your number will come, again where you need to check, you can check on this big screen. Once your token number is there, you need to proceed to that counter number C. Now whatever that number is, that lady will again check the details and everything. And now the procedure has changed, that thank you for applying, your application has been accepted. There will be a verification will be done by your local police station. Once the verification is successful, within 3 to 4 days you will get your PCC, police clearance certificate, by speed post at your house. Some idea about what exactly is going to happen inside when you're going to go for your PCC application. So guys, if you have liked this video, please hit that like button. If you don't, please hit the dislike button. I'll keep making video and informing you about the procedure. So I will see you in my next video. So till then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.